Hello there, nice to meet you. My name is Prestor Saillant, and I'm going to be teaching microprocessors and microcomputers, ENGR2520 this semester. I'm looking forward to seeing you in class. This is my favorite course to teach because I'm fascinated with thinking machines. And one of the things you'll be learning in this course is computer architecture and the representation of binary information and how information is processed and handled inside of computers. You'll also have a chance to build breadboards and build circuits, and you can sort of see that here. Let me just show you quickly. So I have a breadboard running, a breadboard, here's the breadboard on the left side, and the circuit board on the right side, which is the curiosity board. So that red board there is the curiosity board, and there's the microcontroller in the middle of that red board. And you can see a test pattern that's running there. That's a walking one pattern. And that's used to test the LEDs. So if I press a button here, I should be able to change the direction of that. So now the pattern is going from top to bottom, and if I release the button, the pattern goes from bottom to top. Okay, and really one of the things that's going to be important here as you're looking at this might seem like a simple operation, but in reality, to understand it, you have to understand what's going on inside the microchip, inside this microcontroller. Okay, so that's what you're going to be learning about, is that architecture that allows that to happen, and that allows you to control time down to millionths of a second, and what happens in intervals of a millionth of a second. So it's a very, very fascinating when you think about it, that you're really controlling a time machine. All right, so let's go back here to, let's go back to the webcam. All right, so by the end of the course, you're going to be able to program these microcontrollers using assembly language, using the MPLAB X IDE, which is an interactive development environment. And once we meet in class, we'll have a chance to learn much more about each other and our background, but I'll just give you a quick background on myself. I started teaching here at CCRI in 2017 as an adjunct. I've also taught as a visiting lecturer here. I've taught the Introductory to Engineering course, where we build turbines and test them in wind tunnels. I've taught the Digital Systems course, where we look at industrial automation and things of that nature. Also taught some physics courses. And before that, my career really, for 20 years, was as a biomedical engineer, where I designed insulin pumps, power-assisted wheelchairs, designed defibrillators, cardiac monitors, glucose monitors, and a whole host of different devices, and so on, which we'll talk about more in class. So in addition to that, I also had some experience as a graduate student, as a postdoc. I'm working on computational models of the brain. So you'll see that one of my interests is in understanding the brain and how information is processed in the brain as well. And you'll learn that that our brain actually is more powerful than any of the existing supercomputers. And we'll talk about that in class as well. So we'll be talking, a little bit about some of those philosophical issues as well, understanding what computers can do and what they can't do. So we look forward to meeting you in class. You guys are the future. You're the future of engineering, and we're looking forward to learning more about you and your interests, and so on. So see you soon. All right.